For Utah's most accurate forecast with Thomas Geboy. Weather rates certified 11 years in a row.
Good afternoon, Utah. Happy Friday. We are now moving our way into the unofficial start of the summer season, but we're going to open up with our weather headlines, which include the flood alerts remaining. We talked about those at the beginning of the show. But over the next few days, we're going to be talking about scattered showers and thunderstorms for northern Utah, slight chance down south, more of the same into and through the Memorial Day weekend. Now, not at this point. I'm not thinking that we're going to see any full day washouts going into and through the Memorial Day weekend, but we're going to at least hold on to the chance for wet weather. If we're looking for some good news, though, it looks like by Sunday into Monday, we could start to see a little bit lower wet weather potential. We'll talk about that in just a moment. But out there this morning, it has been busy. This was the view in Park City earlier this morning. This was shared by Andy Heyer, and you can actually see some rain falling in the distance. Meanwhile, this was the view along the Wasatch Front sent in by Brian Williams, and you can see the lightning in the sky. So we actually started the day with showers and thunderstorms. Things have calmed down a little bit for the Wasatch Front, but we are seeing those showers and thunderstorms developing once again, especially in the high country. And earlier in the show, we brought you that severe thunderstorm warning in the southeastern portion of Uinta County in Wyoming. That does continue until 1 o'clock. Also includes Mountain View, and I've been looking at the cameras out on I-80 in southwestern Wyoming. This looks like a very strong storm. This storm is capable of large hail, maybe ping pong ball sized, and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is moving to the northeast at 30 miles per hour, so at some point, this is going to make its way over the I-80 corridor. So if you're traveling, say, between Evanston and Rock Springs, you probably want to wait just a little while until that storm passes the I-80 corridor. Then as we make our way into Utah, we're seeing those showers and thunderstorms developing in portions of Duchesne and Wasatch counties just to the east of Strawberry Reservoir. A few strong thunderstorms out there as well, even a few showers and storms stretching down towards Ephraim and Mount Pleasant, and even beginning to see a few more showers developing in the southern portion of the state, generally favoring the high country. But really, if you're in the high country today across the Beehive State, you're going to have that chance for wet weather. But by the time we get into the heart of the afternoon into this evening, we're also going to have that chance in our valleys. But on top of the chance for some showers and thunderstorms, we also have a marginal risk for severe weather that's level 1 out of 5, a small possibility, but as we're seeing, a possibility nonetheless. This includes portions of southwestern Wyoming, the Wasatch back, and up towards Rich County. And like we're seeing, storms will be capable of strong winds and also hail. So if you're within that marginal risk, you want to make sure that you keep your eyes to the sky from the afternoon into this evening. We still have that stalled out front to our north, but this upper level low pressure is now working its way towards us, so there's more energy in our atmosphere for today, and that's going to be the catalyst for those showers and thunderstorms. And notice what happens as we go through the afternoon. Those showers and thunderstorms up in the high country right now north of I-70 will start to migrate down into our valleys. So another chance for the Wasatch Front going from late this afternoon into this evening, holding on to that chance through around 9-10 o'clock, but the wet weather potential will begin to go down as we go into the overnight hours, as we lose that daytime heating. But with that stalled out boundary just to our north, we're going to have more potential for those scattered showers and thunderstorms for our Saturday, and maybe a little bit lower of a chance for those of you down in the southern portion of the state. So just something to keep in mind there, as our temperatures are going to remain fairly consistent. In the meantime, though, if you're already getting an early start on the Memorial Day weekend, Lake Powell looking absolutely lovely so far on this early Friday afternoon. Those cumulus clouds are bubbling up along the Wasatch Front. You can see those clouds building over the Oakers. Temperatures mainly sitting in the 60s and 70s at this point, but we have a few spots in southern Utah already seeing those temperatures in the 80s. Daytime highs will mainly range in the 70s and 80s once again. If you're in northern Utah, outside of any wet weather, you'll see partly cloudy to partly sunny skies, while down in southern Utah, it's mostly sunny to partly cloudy with daytime highs. In St. George, that might be a little bit cooler, but that's thanks to that upslope flow, thanks to that straight southerly flow today. Now, through the Memorial Day weekend, as mentioned, we're going to hold on to the more or less the same weather pattern, but going into Sunday and Monday, forecast models are optimistic that that wet weather potential will drop just a little bit. Again, we won't be able to completely eliminate that chance, but at least looking a little bit better. As for St. George, we have that slight chance for today, but looking mostly dry through the Memorial Day weekend. Daytime highs upper 80s, low 90s, overnight lows close to 60. Then along the Wasatch Front, scattered showers and thunderstorms today and for tomorrow. Not everybody finds wet weather, but that chance will be there. Then a slight chance Memorial Day on Monday, but then that chance for wet weather could increase by the middle of next week with highs in the upper 70s and low 80s, overnight lows close to 60. Brian?